Hi! On this video you will learn and you will see how you can make videos with Copilot Chat and Visual Creator. Here we are in M365 Copilot and here we have our Visual Creator. Let's open that, and as you can see, here we have the new one, Create a Video. Previously it only has this generate an image section, but now we can make videos. Let's try. Here we have some samples. Let's try a video on how to integrate diversity and inclusion in the workplace. Simple as that. And by the way, have you noticed this? 128,000 marks you can use. The previous was only 16K. Pretty good update. Yes, but back to the topic. Let's make a video. And nothing else. As you can see, Copilot is doing his stuff. Hold tight, this won't take long. And as you can see here, we have a clipchamp icon. I will tell you a little bit more about that later. But as you can see, video is done.
Diversity and inclusion are the cornerstones of a thriving workplace. Embracing different perspectives and backgrounds not only enriches the work environment, but also...
And yes, as you already see or saw, these are not AI videos. These are stock material from Microsoft and AI voice and AI text. And as I already told you, this clipchamp, we can start to edit this video on clipchamp. Let me show you. Here we have that same video.
Diversity and inclusion are...
As you saw, the same video in clipchamp where you can edit this if you want. This is quite cool. Text to speech, just modify this text if you want, and then AI will read that with your version on it. You can change language if you want. It's that simple. And you can change the voice also if you want. So you can edit this video by yourself if you want. If you don't like it, if you want to add something on it, if you want to change the voice, if you want to change the background video, whatever you want. That's quite cool. This same video is here also, as you can see. This is quite cool feature what just came to Copilot Chat. Just use Visual Creator, write a prompt what kind of video you want, and Visual Creator will make that happen with clipchamp. And then just open the clipchamp and then here we go. We can edit this video. This is quite cool feature, so to speak. Yes, that's about it. How to make a video in Copilot Chat with Visual Creator.